Well, as more people head back to work, the need for childcare grows. But even with state assistance, childcare providers say they'll need even more financial help. News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs spoke with one provider who says the longer the pandemic goes on, the more expensive things could get.
Without support, financial support, childcare will cease to exist.
Cindy Ligon says it's simple. If we don't invest financially in our childcare system across the country, we could see closures.
It has been a challenging and difficult time for childcare providers, and unfortunately some haven't opened and some may not reopen.
Ligon is the president of the Tennessee Association for Children's Early Education, as well as the daycare director at McKendree United Methodist Church.
Opening following CDC guidelines, which are quite stringent in terms of group size and special considerations that need to be done.
She says keeping group sizes no bigger than 10, checking temperatures and having PPE is the new normal, but it all comes at a cost.
With the challenges we're facing right now, it is very expensive to do that.
Back in March, the state started the application process for licensed providers to apply for state grants if they were affected by the pandemic. The $10 million worth of money helped Ligon pay her staff and bills at the center.
That said, that's not a sustainable solution to our problem. So when that funding is no longer available, childcare, which is the foundation of our economic security, is going to be really, really taxed.
Ligon says with the uncertainty of times, there's no saying how long that grant money will last and if it's even enough.
If we're expecting childcare in this country, we need financial support.
In Washington, lawmakers are proposing a $50 million plan in the next stimulus package to bail out the child care system. That money will help many struggling to fill slots and implement the new health guidelines. Ligon says dollars like that, along with state aid, will go a long way. Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.